Hello friends, welcome to BMH Learning. In this video, we are going to talk about parathyroid hormone test. PTH test is used to measure the amount of parathyroid hormone. Actually, PTH is a protein which is synthesized by 4 parathyroid glands present in the neck area. This hormone is released in the blood. PTH plays a very important role in controlling the levels of calcium in the blood. When body calcium levels are low, the parathyroid glands release more PTH in the blood to increase calcium levels. On the other hand, when body calcium levels are high, parathyroid glands stop making PTH. So therefore, PTH level helps to find out the reasons of abnormal calcium levels in the body. Now let's talk about why PTH test is ordered or for what purpose it's done. Doctor recommends this test in cases when blood test results show high or low levels of calcium. The test is also asked if there are doubts or chances of abnormal calcium levels in patient. Checking PTH levels helps the doctor to assess the reasons of abnormal calcium levels. That means why the calcium levels are high or low. Low calcium level, that is hypocalcemia, symptoms and indications. Mood swings and depression, muscle seizure, numbness. High calcium level, that is hypercalcemia, symptoms and indications. Frequent urination, weak bones, extreme thirst, nausea, stones in kidney, body pain, fatigue. If the levels of phosphorus in a patient are low or any kidney disease, in that case also this test is ordered. Now let's talk about PTH test results or normal ranges. One lab test results may differ from another lab test results. It might also be possible that the methods used for tests are different, and this may also lead to result variations. So therefore, the patient should consult with a doctor for proper understanding of the results. Normal ranges of PTH test. If the PTH ranges between 10 to 55 picogram per milliliter, this is said to be normal result. Abnormal results. If PTH test results are lower than normal ranges, this indicates tuberculosis, low magnesium in blood, consumption of more vitamin D. Might be possible that the parathyroid glands are removed mistakenly during thyroid surgery. It's also possible that due to certain reasons, parathyroid gland is unable to make PTH. Cancer originated from organs like colon, breast, and lungs spread to bones. Effect of radiations on parathyroid gland. Excessive intake of sodium bicarbonate, certain antacids and calcium supplements. If PTH test results are higher than normal ranges, this indicates pseudo-hypoparathyroidism. That is, body doesn't react to PTH. Calcium is not fully absorbed by intestine. Calcium is not taken in adequate amount. Removal of calcium through urine, which leads to low calcium levels in the body. Swelling in parathyroid gland. Adenomas, that is tumor in parathyroid gland. This was all. Thanks for watching.